In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate prospecting in Salesflare, one of the most powerful CRM tools for sales teams and entrepreneurs. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can get an extended, exclusive free trial to try it out yourself. Now, if you're tired of manually managing leads and want to focus on selling instead of organizing data, Salesflare is the tool for you. This CRM automates a huge chunk of your sales process, including prospecting, and makes managing customer relationships much simpler and more efficient. First off, Salesflare works by connecting all your existing tools and pulling in information about your contacts automatically. So, instead of manually entering data about leads, it does the hard work for you. It connects with your email, calendar, and social media, which means it gathers everything you need to know about a contact in one place, even including their website visits and interactions. What makes automating prospecting in Salesflare super effective is its use of AI to help identify leads that are more likely to convert. It's not just about storing information, it's about making sure that information is actionable. With its automatic follow-up reminders and timeline view of your contact history, you're never left wondering what to do next with a lead. Salesflare also has a powerful feature called Smart Reminders. Based on the data it gathers, it automatically suggests the best time to reach out to a lead, so you don't have to second guess or waste time. This helps you stay on top of your sales pipeline without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, by automating this process, you avoid missing important follow-ups. A key benefit is the auto-enrichment of your leads. As you enter prospects, Salesflare goes the extra mile by pulling in social profiles, company details, and other relevant information. You don't need to go searching for these details anymore. They're there, ready to help you personalize your outreach. To make it even easier, Salesflare integrates seamlessly with other tools you probably already use. Whether it's email, LinkedIn, or even your website, Salesflare connects everything and automatically updates your leads with real-time information, allowing you to better tailor your messages and campaigns. Another feature you'll love is its custom workflows, which let you automate follow-up emails, reminders, and even outreach. You can create workflows based on triggers, such as a lead reaching a certain stage, an email being opened, or a task being completed. This way, your prospecting process is always moving forward without manual input. One of the most important aspects when automating prospecting is ensuring you stay personal. Salesflare makes sure you're not sending generic emails by letting you track every interaction so you can craft your messages accordingly. The platform even analyzes which outreach tactics are working, so you can optimize your approach over time. You can get started with Salesflare completely for free, and as I mentioned earlier, if you click the first link in the description below, you can claim an extended free trial with some exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software. Now, automating your prospecting in Salesflare means you can scale up your sales operations without sacrificing the personal touch. By using the powerful AI features, integrating your existing tools, and setting up customized workflows, you'll free up time to close deals rather than chase leads. Remember, Salesflare isn't just another CRM. It's a smart CRM that takes the guesswork out of sales prospecting and automates it all for you. By the end of this video, I hope you see just how powerful this tool can be for your business. So, if you're serious about automating your sales process and growing your business, make sure to grab that free trial through the link below. Don't wait. This exclusive offer won't last forever. Thanks for watching and happy prospecting.